Meet the Bentsai B10 Mini, a compact handheld inkjet printer designed for flexibility. It lets you print directly on products, packaging, and materials wherever you are. No fixed setup, no production line, no labels required. The B10 Mini fits naturally into small workshops, studios, warehouses, and growing businesses. Lightweight, wireless, and controlled from your smartphone, and uses fast-dry ink for clean, durable markings. It works on a wide range of surfaces, from cardboard and wood to plastic and metal. For special applications, it also supports invisible UV ink, making it ideal for security marking, authentication, and event access control. Simple, portable, and surprisingly powerful, Bentsai B10 Mini gives you professional marking without professional complexity. If you have any questions about this product or want to see how it fits your application, contact NordSystems.